Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited. Today is my first collab video with these beautiful, lovely ladies, Melissa from All Things Crafty and The Weeks DIY. So it was a subscriber request, and since I don't have that many subscribers, I reached out to my friends and they wanted to see a tiered tray to put up in their space. So here I am. That's what I'm going to be creating today. I had these two signs in my stash. I've had them forever, and it just came to me what exactly I wanted to do with them. So I was so excited. So I'm just going to take off the hardware off the back of both of these signs, take the stickers off.
On me. And now we're building bridges as far as the eye can see. And I never thought I'd find anything close to all that I knew you would be. Ain't it beautiful? And darling, beautiful. With you here next to me. I dream in color, you're black.
So here I'm using White by Waverly, and I'm just going to coat the entire sign. So I'm going to cover up the words on this sign, all around the sides and the inside of both signs. I love this paint. It's good coverage. Because there was a lot of color on this, it did take 2 good coats to cover everything up.
You're not much for taking chances, but you've taken a chance on me. And now we're building bridges as far as the eye can see. And I never thought I'd find anything close to all that I knew you would be. Ain't it beautiful? Darling, beautiful. With you here next to me. Oh, it's beautiful, the life that we've made here. Oh, it's beautiful, and I don't wanna take it for granted.
So after I painted everything white, I decided I wanted to add some scrapbook paper to the top of this, to the top of each piece. So I got this at Hobby Lobby back in the day when they were wonderful and 4 for $1, but we know they're not that price anymore, but that's okay because I bought a lot before they changed the deal. And I just use a glue stick. You could use Mod Podge, you could use hot glue, you could do whatever you want. Glue stick works the best for me. I absolutely love how smooth everything comes out, and it stays on super well. So I just smooth it all out, and then I use my sandpaper to pretty much trim down the edges on the sides, because I do like to cut a little bit over just to ensure that I have a perfect coverage on the piece that I'm doing.
Is this all that you dreamed it'd be? Ending up here, ending up with.
So this little milk jug I got at the Dollar Tree. You could see what it looked like before to the left of the screen, and then I just went ahead and brushed it with some white paint. It is going to be my stand between the two pieces. So again, I'm using a glue stick, and I love this craft paper. I love it, I love it, I love it. It's so cute. I love cotton at this time of the year, and I just couldn't resist it. Cotton, shiplap, all that good stuff. So again, you can use any scrapbook paper that fits your decor needs. This one is perfect for mine. The best part about the glue stick is that if you have one side that you didn't get down all the way, you just pull it back up and it's really forgiving. So I can pull it back up. So sometimes with other adhesives, you're not able to like pull up a section and like that. So, and then I got this squeegee with some of the vinyl that I ordered, and I love it. It's so big and it's got that little fluffy thing on the side, so it makes it real smooth and real nice. Super cute. So I'm just going to use hot glue to glue the jar onto the top of the scrapbook paper and my base. And then I decided that I wanted to use these half beads. So again, half beads always come from Amazon. They're a really good deal for a big bag of these. I got 2 different sizes, and I want to say they were like $10 for both bags. So I'm just going to use some hot glue to adhere them to the base, or the top. This is the top. So I'm going to use hot glue. It's going to hold them really, really well. Hot glue and the wood, it works totally well. This is going to be inside my house, so it's not like it's going to be exposed to all kinds of heat that I'd have to worry about it. But you can use whatever glue that you like. You can use wood glue, E6000, super glue. There's all different kinds of glues. So I'm just going to go all around all the sides of this square. I just wanted to take the time to make sure that you guys like, subscribe, share with your friends, sprinkle the love. I'm so excited. I have been loving this journey. It's a lot of fun, and I couldn't do it without my subscribers. I appreciate you all so very much. And another big thank you to Melissa and Nicole for doing this subscribers request collab. I'm super excited with it being my first one. And I love both these ladies. Melissa is a good friend of mine, and Nicole with the Weeks Nest, she is so talented. Before I started doing YouTube myself, I watched her constantly, as well as I did Melissa. So they're great channels, and they'll be linked below. So I should have put the wood beads on before I glued the stand in the middle, but hindsight 2020, just telling you, do it before. It'll make life easier. So I figured it needed to go on the top and the bottom to be more of a cohesive look. So originally I was going to put the scrapbook paper face up, but when I had the box turned upside down, it kind of took a lot of space because this box is really deep. So I decided to turn it around. So I didn't record it, but I just made this little cover for it out of the jumbo popsicle sticks from Walmart. just looks like a little fence basically, and then I covered that with the scrapbook paper, because if I try to put my tiered tray things inside of this, because it's so deep, you would be missing half of them. So I'd either have to stuff it or use risers or whatever. So I just thought this was a cute idea just to cover up the top space right there. So there she is, all complete. And then I had to take it a little bit more. So again, with these Sola wood flowers, I absolutely adore them. They're so pretty. I had bought the fall set, and I'm glad that I did because I love these colors. And it goes so well with that natural wood of the half bead and the black and the white and gray of the scrapbook paper. I just love it. I just love it. And I've never seen a tiered tray with embellishments going up it, like actually affixed to the centerpiece. So I thought I'd give it a try, and I love how it came out. So I mixed the burnt orange and the mustard yellow and a couple little cream pieces, and then I wanted to add some cotton pods because cotton is the theme on this one. So I thought the cotton pods would look super cute added to this. It was a little difficult to get them to stick to it or get them in the right spot, but lots of hot glue holding them together, and away it went. Doesn't it look so pretty? This would be really cute for weddings or baby showers, or you name it. You can use this for all kinds of stuff, but I think this is such a great idea. I love how it came out. See, there's some more hot glue because you can never have enough hot glue to keep these together. And a little greenery just to kind of give it a little pop. And I appreciate you guys oh so much for being here. Here is my final shot of it. I just added a couple things that I had from the Dollar Tree. That gather sign, that cute little pumpkin is new. The little hello fall sign I made. But see how simple, you don't need a ton on there just to get how cute that this came out. And I thought it would be super cute in a corner in like a kitchen or somewhere, because of the squareness of it. So thank you so much. I appreciate you guys all so much for being here. I look forward to bringing you more DIYs on a budget.